Okay, now, we know that prior to the matchup, you and Aaron Shiki has a lot of heat. That one is mainit. That one is a hot. So, now that you've won against him in a best of one, what do you have to say to Aaron Shiki?
Masasabi ko lang sa kanya, hindi ko pa napapatunayan yung sinasabi ko, pero alam mo na kung sino ako.
Alright. Okay, so he said that he hasn't really proven his worth yet, but it is time that Aaron Shiki knows who Kelra is in the international stage. I like that. It's pretty nice, pretty subtle, pretty humble. Okay, now Kelra, we know that there's a lot of upsets today. Okay, a lot of the favorites lost, right? Who do you want to meet tomorrow? Those that won, who are you looking forward to meet? Because the draw will be happening after this. Yes, sinong gusto mong...
Specific na?
Yes.
Gusto ko makalaban niya,